Welcome to The Green Origin, Rise of the Bloom. This video serves as your ultimate guide to mastering the art of breeding ornamental plants. To start your journey, you must scout the perfect recruit. Look for seeds that are under a year old, pure in breed, healthy, fully ripe, and low in moisture. The extraction mission requires patience. Wait for the pod to dry completely on the branch, then gently crumble it and blow away the chaff. Follow the cryopreservation protocol. Dry the seeds, heat, seal them in a polythene bag to remove air, label them, and store them in a cool, dark bunker. For pot preparation, soak the clay pot, add a shard to the drain hole, and fill it with an optimal mix of leaf manure, cow dung, and soil. Prepare your ground zero by selecting a location with morning sun and evening shade. Dig to a depth of 20 centimeters, level the surface, and sow your seeds. Germination is an awakening process. With proper moisture and oxygen, and a thermal range between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius, the seed will emerge. Trials in the survival chamber prove that moisture and oxygen are absolutely non-negotiable. Without them, the seed cannot succeed. Phase 2 focuses on self-reliance. As the plant exhausts its initial seed supply, it must pull oxygen, carbon dioxide, heat, light, and water from the environment. Trial 1 tests the need for fresh air. Sealing a plant in plastic prevents it from accessing oxygen and carbon dioxide, leading to failure. Trial 2 emphasizes the importance of a strict hydration schedule. Consistent watering based on the season is vital to keep the plant thriving. Trial 3 reveals the impact of the abyss, or total darkness. Light is not just illumination, it is the energy required for food production. Unlock ultimate power by providing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These organic minerals are essential for spectacular ornamental blooms. Use tactical defense strategies. Use straw armor for winter protection and deploy fences to block harsh summer winds while ensuring light and air access. Now that you have completed the trials, choose your faction and start growing your own heroes. Good luck on your gardening mission.